Oops. Whoa! He jumped off.
Hiredjdelz.
Alright, here we go with the brand new Stranger Things 8-bit Will Funko Pop right here. We've got the common and we got the chase. Let's turn the box over. One thing I like about the box too, how even the actual text is 8-bit. I love that. And there is a look at the other ones that are available. And let's take these things out of the box. Alright, so here they are, both out of the box. You've got the standard version and the chase right here. The common and the chase of Will, the 8-bit version. There's a close-up look at Will, the chase version. And there's a close-up of the common version of Will. Actually look at your local Target and see if they have them. They should be there. I recommend going ASAP because they're probably there right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your comments in the box and let me know your favorite character from Stranger Things. I'd love to know. Thumbs up the video and subscribe if you're new, of course. Till next time, we out.